This is a plantain, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this humble, inexpensive fruit into an absolutely amazing dessert that I call caramelized plantain bites. Hello and welcome to I Want to Cook. My name is Chef Matt and this channel is all about helping you be a better cook. And yes, today we are making a wonderful dessert out of the humble plantain. And now last week I made a video explaining the differences between a plantain like this and an ordinary banana. A plantain is a type of banana, but if you want more details on the differences between these two, be sure to check out that video. Now, plantains are also called cooking bananas, and that's because you mainly cook with these, and they can be either savory or sweet. Today, we are going to make a sweet dish. It is really easy. It involves only 3 ingredients. This plantain, butter, and brown sugar. So grab a pan and let's sizzle up some caramelized plantain bites. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is cut up our plantain into slices. And I should note that this plantain, I bought this about 2 weeks ago, so it's pretty ripe. It's not super duper ripe, otherwise it would be all black, but it's still pretty ripe. And as I explained last week in my video, the plantain, as it ripens, it gets sweeter. Now, when you're cutting up your plantain, cut off each end, just like this. And remember, they have really thick skins. So with both ends cut off, take a paring knife and just kind of go right down the entire length of the plantain. And what you can do from here is just kind of peel this off, just unwrap it, just like this. And this is all going to come off in one fell swoop. Just like that. Now we have a naked plantain. Okay, if there's any of these strings, just kind of remove them. Ugh, I hate banana strings. Ugh. Just kind of toss those aside, and what we're going to do is we are just going to slice this into, I'll say, about medium slices. By all means, if you want them thicker, you can make them a bit thicker, but I'm just going to kind of do a medium slice here. Okay, we have our sliced plantains. Now just grab a pan. I'm using a 8-inch stainless steel one here. And what we'll do is we will melt some butter and brown sugar and start sizzling up these plantains. I really love making this dessert because it comes together so fast. I mean, I'm talking just minutes. So I have my skillet heating over about medium-low heat. We don't want it too hot. And the first thing we're going to do is add some butter. And, you know, we're going to add a good amount here. I'm going to say about, I'm going to eyeball this, about 2 tablespoons. We just want all this butter to get nice and melted. So just put this chunk of butter in your pan, and we are going to wait until this gets almost all melted. Okay, our butter is melted, and now comes the brown sugar. And again, we're just going to kind of eyeball this too. I'm going to add about, well, 2 healthy tablespoons. That's probably more like 3. Just kind of mix this up. And in go the plantains. Now, if you can't fit all of them in this pan, that's okay. You could do this in batches. But I found that, you know, this works for about 1 plantain. And again, you can always do, you can always use a larger pan or just do these in batches. It really depends on the size of the plantain. So these guys are already just sizzling, and it only takes a few minutes for them to cook. And that's all there really is to it. We are just going to let these plantains cook until they are nice and soft and caramelized. And what I mean by caramelized is, well, it's like caramel. And technically speaking, in cooking, we call caramelization the Maillard effect. And what's happening is it is changing the nature of that food. And we also talk about this when we are cooking a steak. When it's a nice browned, juicy steak that has a nice crispy outside. That's called the Maillard reaction. And what happens is the proteins change state and it creates this lovely, lovely taste. Here we're doing it with sweet. And we'll just let these cook for, well, let's say about 3 minutes, and then we will give them a flip. Okay, these have been cooking for about 3 minutes, and you do want to just kind of stir them and agitate the pan a bit. And we're cooking over about low, medium, low. You don't want that butter sugar solution to burn. So let's give these a flip. Oh, look at that. Nice and browned. This is exactly what we want. You want them to look just like that. That is going to be perfect. So give these guys a flip, and we will just let these cook for another couple minutes. And again, just kind of agitate the pan here a little bit and move it around. And if you smell that butter and sugar starting to burn, just turn down the heat to low. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. I've checked the undersides and they are looking beautiful. We will kill the heat. Now all we have to do is plate, but boom, you have just created caramelized plantain bites. So let's put these guys on a plate, and you can eat them as is, but I'll show you a couple more ways to doctor them up. So let's plate these guys. We got a plate here, and what we're gonna do is just put these guys right here. Oh, these smell so good. Just kind of put them in a mound, and don't you dare get rid of this sauce. This sauce is magic. This is butter and sugar. That is a wonderful combination for a dessert. So we are just going to pour this right over these plantains. Oh, look at this. Okay, these would be wonderful as is, but I do like to finish them off with just a little bit of whipped cream and just a little bit of powdered sugar that we will just kind of rain down on these plantains. And here you go, caramelized plantain bites. And of course, the only thing left to do is to give them a try. Get some whipped cream here. Be sure to mop up some of that sauce. This is unreal. It tastes like a banana, but it's even denser. It's even like sweeter, yet it's still got some of that like starchy texture, but the crisp crust, this is amazing. And we made this in like less than 10 minutes. Insane in the plantain. You've got to try this. So that is how to turn a plantain, which just cost like, I don't know, a few cents, into an amazing dessert. Give this a try. I think you're gonna love it. I think your family's gonna love it. You know, maybe doctored up even more with some cinnamon and honey. You know, make it to your liking, but give this a try. I think you're really gonna like it. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Welcome to my kitchen. I am so glad that you are here. Until next time, I hope that you want to cook. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a plate of plantains to get to.